Apple is nearing the launch of the iPhone 15 series, but it looks to be experiencing production issues due to its new display update. Previous speculations stated that Apple may implement a thinner bezel on the next Pro models in order to provide consumers with a larger display. However, according to a recent leak, this specific option has resulted in a production fault. As a consequence, questions have been raised about the possibility of iPhone 15 smartphone launch or availability delays. According to the information, the use of thinner bezels on the next iPhone Pro models has prompted suppliers to create a new manufacturing technique to lower bezel size. Unfortunately, this adjustment has caused abnormalities in LG-made panels, resulting in reliability test failures. Apple product development fans may remember a similar problem with the Apple Watch Series 7, which was delayed by over a month owing to a related issue at its launch. Bloomberg confirmed the news, stating that Apple had a small glitch with the display. However, the source added that the problem is likely to be rectified within a week or two and would not have a substantial effect on the iPhone 15 series launch date. Apple insider Ross Young added to the good news with a tweet titled "Latest Apple Volumes by Model by Month through August." Pro models are increasing in popularity as technological concerns are resolved. If these leaks are accurate, there is hope that the production issues have been overcome and that the launch date will not be impacted. Nonetheless, reaching a firm judgment is still premature. In order to entice customers, Apple is expected to release a more attractive iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max with titanium frames, a new action button, and thinner display bezels. According to Mac Rumors, images and videos posted by numerous leakers show screens with decreased bezel lines, giving the appearance of a bigger overall display. According to the sources, these additional enhancements will not be given to the basic iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models this year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.